Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by ensuring the viewport meta is present so layouts scale correctly. Once done, adopt a mobile-first approach. Write base styles for small screens and create your first at media rule using min-width 600px to add or override styles. You do this because smaller devices get the simplest rules by default and larger screens layer on complexity. Make sure to link the style sheet and test that the base styles load before breakpoint overrides, which prevents flash of unstyled content. Now you refine breakpoints and scale. Choose breakpoints where your layout actually breaks. About 480, 768, and 1024 are starting points, because content-driven decisions keep interfaces natural. Use M or REM units for font and flow to respect user zoom and accessibility, while using PX where you need exact control. Inside each at media block, adjust container widths, grid columns, and set images to max width, 100% so they scale. Once adjusted, use your browser's responsive simulator to iterate quickly. To finish, thoroughly test. Open multiple devices, flip orientations, and confirm touch targets, spacing, and legible font sizes. Optimize by merging similar at media rules, using feature queries like it supports, and keeping CSS minimal to reduce repaint cost. If something breaks, troubleshoot the usual suspects. Check cascade order and selector specificity, verify the viewport meta, and scan for typoed class names or media syntax errors. If rules don't apply, temporarily add bright outlines to elements to see which styles are active.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.